Hello YouTube and welcome to this year's 2025 Bonfire Night Stash. Like last year, I don't have space anymore to fire cakes of any sort or rockets. So this year we've gone for a couple of smaller pieces, a couple of shot tubes instead of the rockets, and mainly fountains and smaller garden items now because, even though I don't have the space I used to have, obviously, it's still bonfire night and I still like to have some pyro. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I picked all this up from my local Trago Mills in Merthyr in Wales. Some good prices, mostly cosmic, a bit of Brothers, a couple of Firestar. So little bits and bobs that other supermarkets have sold over the last couple of years, but better priced. So I picked up a few things and let's go ahead and see what we got. So I grabbed the Cosmic Fireworks Mars selection box. I'll do a unboxing of this one and the Venus in a separate video so you can see the contents properly. But this one is 167 grams of powder, the smallest box in the range, and the Venus is the next one up. And this one has 225 grams of powder. Picked up a couple of these Jitter Bugs fountains. These were only $1.99 each, so I grabbed 3, 60 grams of fountain, about a minute to a minute 20 of gentle plumes to crackling finale. Nothing big or loud. Obviously a bit of crackling, but not as loud and ferocious as some fountains. Festival of Lights from Firestar. 89 grams of powder. There's 5 fountains in there producing a couple of different effects and colours. It won't be massive or ferocious or too loud, but they'll be okay. Grab 2 packs of these sparkling gems, also from Firestar Fireworks. 88 grams of powder in total, 22 grams of powder per fountain. I'm trying to see if there's different effects in each one. I think I have seen these online. I think there are different effects in each fountain. So hopefully there'll be a good little mixture in there. So I grabbed 2 packs of them. I think they're only something like $3.99 or $4.99 each. These weren't on the website, but they were in the cabinet. And I thought, oh, there's normally not too bad. Conic fountains, they normally have a bit more powder. So I grabbed 2 of these. I think these were something like $7.99 each. And these actually do have 200 grams of powder a pop. So pretty good. I've had a look at the video on these and I've seen 2 videos and they both have different finales. They both start pretty much the same. They both have 50 seconds of about rising silver plumes. And then on one website I looked at, it's 10 seconds of crackling finale and then finishes. And then the other website I've seen, it's 60 seconds of rising plumes. So I'm not 100% sure which one these are going to be. So it'll be interesting to see. Also grabbed 2 of these Sky Kings. These are twin shot Roman candles, all different effects. $117.2 grams of powder, and I believe every one of them has slightly different NEC. It's 28 grams, 31.4, 29.4, and 28.4. As you can see, all the effects are different. Golden tails, bursting red stars, crackling, willow bursts, silver strobe, and crackling starbursts. I'm not going to read them all out, so I'll just sort of like focus on them so you can see the effects. But they weren't too bad. They were something like $6.99, $7.99 each, which normally I always go along the lines of, you know, pound of shot tube is pretty good, but these are a lot more weightier, and like I said, they are a twin shot, so $6.99, $7.99 for a pack is pretty good. So that is it this year. Like I said, we've got 2 small selection boxes, a couple of slightly bigger fountains, I'll say a medium-sized fountain, and a couple of shot tubes. So all in all, we'll still have a nice little show, but obviously nothing compared to what we used to do. But you know, still getting the pyro hitting, which is nice, and celebrating Bonfire Night. So I hope everyone has a good one, and we'll catch you soon with the unboxing of the 2 selection boxes. All right, take care for now. Ta-ra.